Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. What's next for Sega's iconic franchises? With the success of Sonic the Hedgehog 3, it's time to explore other beloved games that could make for incredible movie franchises. Uh, as a lifelong gamer and cinephile, I'm excited to dive into the possibilities. Valkyria Chronicles, for instance, offers um, a unique blend of military strategy and anime elements, creating a visually stunning film. Imagine a World War II era setting with magical twists, making for thrilling battle sequences. Phantasy Star, another classic RPG, could fill the gap in the sci-fi market, offering an epic space opera franchise with intricate costumes and sets. Its unexpected plot developments and memorable characters would undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on audiences. Uh, Persona, with its romantic elements, social interaction, and dark fantasy themes, could create a captivating film series. Persona 5 in particular has a powerful theme of challenging established power structures, resonating with many viewers. Shenmue, an original blockbuster video game, could be revived as a movie series, emphasizing authentic kung fu combat sequences and emotional turmoil, creating a more engaging narrative. Skies of Arcadia, with its steampunk stylized adventure, could be an ideal setting for an animated epic, bringing its intricate world to life. And Bayonetta, an edgy heroine, could be the next counterculture star, offering a complex and captivating female lead who embodies sexuality and power. Panzer Dragoon, with its majestic fantasy series, could captivate audiences of all ages, blending live action and computer-generated imagery. Source of Jet Set Radio, oozing with style, could make for a fun, energetic animated film infusing hip-hop culture, extreme sports, and street art. Vanquish, a third-person shooter, could be an over-the-top action movie emphasizing parkour and intense movement sequences. And finally, Streets of Rage, a nostalgic throwback, could transform into an electrifying martial arts franchise, infusing urban energy and ratcheting up the violence for a more immersive experience. And just imagine Chris Pratt playing as Alicia in Valkyria Chronicles, or Zoe Saldana as Alisa in Phantasy Star. That would make for a fun movie. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.